Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare how to use Figma versus its VS Code extension. We will explore their distinct roles in the design and development process. Figma excels as a dedicated design tool, offering robust features for creating user interfaces and prototypes. The VS Code extension, however, integrates design assets directly into your coding environment, streamlining developer handoff. By the end, you will have a clear understanding of when to leverage each tool for maximum productivity. Figma stands out as a powerful, cloud-based design platform, perfect for creating intricate user interfaces and experiences. It offers robust vector editing capabilities, allowing designers to craft pixel-perfect layouts and components. Its real-time collaboration feature is a game changer, enabling multiple team members to work together seamlessly on a single project. Furthermore, Figma's integrated prototyping tools help bring designs to life, facilitating interactive user flows and comprehensive usability testing before any code is written. The Figma VS Code extension bridges the gap between design and development, bringing your Figma files directly into your coding environment. This integration allows developers to inspect design properties such as colors, typography, and spacing without switching applications. It significantly streamlines the handoff process by providing ready-to-use code snippets for CSS, iOS, or Android. This means you can access all necessary design specifications and assets right within Visual Studio Code, enhancing efficiency and reducing context switching for developers. Deciding which tool is better truly depends on your role and the task at hand. Figma is unparalleled for initial design, collaborative ideation, and creating interactive prototypes. It is the primary canvas for designers. The VS Code extension, conversely, is invaluable for developers, offering direct access to design specifications and assets within their coding environment. Ultimately, these tools are not mutually exclusive. They are complementary. Using them together creates a highly efficient and integrated design-to-development workflow, optimizing productivity for the entire team.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.